Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Around the World. I'm Charlotte, your English teacher.
And I'm Harry, your student and travel partner.
In today's episode, we will travel together, not by plane, but with words. We'll visit different countries, learn about greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food, drinks, and daily activities.
That sounds fun. Let's start, teacher.
Let's start with greetings. A greeting means how we say hello or hi. In the US, people say hello or hi. Can you say that? Repeat after me. Hello. Now, hi.
Hello. Hi.
Good. In Brazil, people often say olá or oi, but in English, we say hello.
Hello.
In Japan, people say konnichiwa. In France, bonjour. In Mexico, hola.
Wow, so many ways to say hello.
Yes, but in English, keep it simple. Hello, hi, or good morning. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me slowly. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening.
Perfect.
And how do we say goodbye?
Good question. We say goodbye, see you, or bye-bye. Repeat. Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Goodbye. See you later. Bye-bye.
Nice. Around the world, people say hello differently, but the feeling is the same. Friendship. Now let's talk about numbers. Numbers are very important in daily life. At the market, the bus stop, or when you tell time. Let's count together from 1 to 10. Repeat after me slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Great! Now let's count backward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was fun.
In English-speaking countries, people often use numbers in polite ways. For example, when you buy fruit, can I have 2 apples, please? Can I have 3 bananas, please? Repeat. 2 apples. 3 bananas.
2 apples. 3 bananas.
Perfect. Numbers are the same all around the world. Only the words change. Next, let's learn the days of the week. Listen carefully and repeat. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Nice! Now let's talk about how people use these days around the world. In the United States, many people start work on Monday. In some countries, the week starts on Sunday.
And in Brazil, people love Friday.
Yes, everyone loves Friday. Now repeat after me with rhythm. Monday, workday. Tuesday, busy day. Wednesday, middle of the week. Thursday, almost Friday. Friday, fun day. Saturday, rest day. Sunday, family day.
That's true. I love Sunday with family.
Great job. Now let's look at objects, things we use every day. Repeat after me slowly. Table, chair, cup, phone, book, pen.
Table, chair, cup, phone, book, pen.
Nice! Now let's use these words in short sentences. This is a table. This is a chair. This is a book.
This is a table. This is a chair. This is a book.
Perfect! In many countries, objects look different, but they have the same purpose. For example, in Japan, people use chopsticks. In Italy, people use forks. Different tools, same idea. To eat.
That's interesting.
Now let's practice some more objects. Spoon, plate, bottle, bag, computer.
Spoon, plate, bottle, bag, computer.
Excellent. You're doing great. Now comes my favorite part, food and drinks. Let's start with some common English words. Bread, rice, fish, chicken, coffee, tea, water, juice.
Bread, rice, fish, chicken, coffee, tea, water, juice.
Perfect. Now let's use them in sentences. I eat bread in the morning. I drink coffee every day. I like rice and chicken.
I eat bread in the morning. I drink coffee every day. I like rice and chicken.
Wonderful. Let's compare foods around the world. In Brazil, people love rice and beans. In Japan, people eat sushi. In Italy, people eat pasta. In Mexico, people eat tacos.
And in England, people drink tea.
Yes, afternoon tea is a famous tradition. Now repeat after me. Rice and beans, sushi, pasta, tacos, tea.
Rice and beans, sushi, pasta, tacos, tea.
Excellent. When you travel, food is a delicious way to learn culture. Now let's learn about daily activities. These are things we do every day. Repeat after me slowly. Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, watch TV, go to bed.
Wake up, brush my teeth, take a shower, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, watch TV, go to bed.
Very good. Let's use them in small sentences. I wake up at 7. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I go to bed at 10.
I wake up at 7. I go to bed at 10.
Perfect. Now let's talk about different daily activities in other countries. In Spain, many people eat dinner very late, around 9 or 10 p.m. In Japan, people bow to show respect. In France, people greet each other with kisses on the cheek. In Mexico, people often greet with a hug or a kiss.
Wow, that's so different.
Yes, but every culture has special customs. But one thing is the same. We all say hello, eat, work, and rest. Now, let's practice everything together. I'll say the word. You repeat after me. Ready? Hello. Good morning. 1, 2, 3. Monday. Tuesday. Book. Cup. Rice. Tea. Wake up. Go to bed.
Hello? Good morning. 1, 2, 3, Monday, Tuesday, book, cup, rice, tea, wake up, go to bed.
Good job! You're learning step by step. Now, I'll say a short sentence. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Harry. I drink coffee every morning. Today is Friday. This is my book. I like rice and chicken. I go to bed at 10.
Hello, my name is Harry. I drink coffee every morning. Today is Friday. This is my book. I like rice and chicken. I go to bed at 10.